Hello everyone, today we'll show you how to wire wrap a center drilled stone with a pin. You'll need a center drilled stone, a ball pin, round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, and wire clippers. For this video, we're using a 24 gauge wire ball pin, and we're using a pink cubic zirconia. Slide the stone onto the pin until it is flush with the ball on the end. Bend your wire at a 90-degree angle. Using round nose pliers, grab the wire next to the stone and wrap it over the pliers to create a loop. Grab the loop firmly and wrap the wire around once. Keep the wire at a 90-degree angle to make it easier to clip off the excess with the wire clippers. We're making a pair of earrings, so you'll need to attach an ear hook to the loop. Hold the ear hook firmly with one hand, and using a pair of flat nose pliers, bend open the loop, and slide on your wrapped stone. Then close the loop, and you have an earring made with a ball pin. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel because we've got more how-tos and design projects coming up.